Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create live chat in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the live chat in WordPress, that is really easy. What we need to do, we have to go inside the plugin and click on add new plugin here. And here you have to search for talk to. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the plugin at the top of the search. So we have to install this plugin, talk to live chat. Okay, so let's click on the install now. Now let's just click on the activate. Okay, so now if I just go inside the setting, you can see the option of talk to here. So let's go inside here and we will be inside the setting of it. Okay. Alright, so the first thing that we have is the account settings. And after that, we have the visibility options. After that, we have the privacy and WooCommerce options. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to create the account in talk to. Okay. So for that, what can we do here? We can create the account from here, but we can also go to their website. Okay. So for that, let's just open up the new tab here and write down the Google. So here we just have to write down talk to, and you can see that we have the talk.to at the top of the search. So we have to click here. And this is the landing page of the talk to. Okay. So from here, you can simply create the account. So I have already created the account. So all I need to do is to log in into my talk to account. Okay. So let's click on the login here, and creating the account is really easy. You just have to fill the basic detail about yourself and your website. That's it. All right. So now let's just log in into our account. Okay. So I have to activate my account as well. Okay. So from here, we can simply activate our account here. So let's click on the confirm email address. Alright, so now we are good to go. So this is the dashboard of the talk to. Okay, so let's close this. And now let's go back and we have to log in our account again. So let's click on the login again. And here what we need to do, we have to select the property. So that would be our website, digital news, and we have the widget. So let's click on the use selected widget. And now if you just go to our website here, okay, so you'll be able to see the live chat option here. So if you just wait for the few seconds, it will have the welcome message for our website. Okay, so now you can see this, we got our welcome message to our website. So from here, we can simply do the live chat with our agent here. Okay, so if I just write down, hi, this is a test message. So let's send this. And now what we need to do, we have to go to our dashboard here, and you will be able to see that we have got the message here. Okay, so now you can see this, we have got our message here. So if I wanted to join the chat as the agent, I can simply join it. I can continue the conversation here with the user. Okay, so thanks for messaging. So let's send this, and this will be received on the user end as well. Okay, so we are doing the live chat here. So this is how it works. So now let's just customize the look of our live chat. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so if you wanted to customize the design of our live chat, so for that, what we need to do, first of all, we're going to go inside the administration from here. And from here, you can see this, we have the different options. So what we need to do here, we have to go inside the channels. And you can see the option of the chat widget here. Okay, you can see the option of the widget appearance here. So now what we need to do, we have to click on the advanced here. Okay, so as you can see here that we can customize our chat appearance. Okay, so the first thing here, as you can see here, that this is how our chat is looking. So if you want to change this into the online, so this is how we can change the appearance of this. But I think the first option is looking better. So that is why I'll simply go here with it. And from here, we can change the width of it, and we can also change the height of it. And we have also the option to change the position of our widget. So if you want to put it on to the top right side, you simply click here, and you can see here, we have our widget at the top right side. But I think the default position is looking fine. So let's click here. And after that, you can see this, we have the attention grabber, that is, we are here. So you can change the image. So if you want to disable this, you can simply disable it from here. But right now, let's just enable this. So you can also see the option of the gallery here. So if I just click here, you can see this, I can change the image here, all right? We can change the image of the attention grabber here. All right, so these are the images that we can use as the attention grabber, but I think I would like to go with the default image. So I just close this. And after that, we have the mobile widget, we have the mobile widget position, and we can change the color here. So I would actually like to change the color of it into the black. All right. And I would also like to change the color of the edged message. So this will be black as well. All right. So now this is looking fine. And we can also do the customization of the text color here as well. But right now, I think this is looking perfect. So let's just save this and let's just close this. Okay. And now you can see the option of the knowledge base here. So if I just click here, okay, so let's click on the start. All right. Next. So from here, I can upload the logo and select the base color, but I would actually go here with the default setting. So let's click on the next. And now let's click on the go to knowledge base. Okay. So what is the function of the knowledge base here? It is really easy. You can simply add the article from here, and from our live chat, we can simply access those articles. Okay. So let's just create a new article here. So this would be guideline to WordPress. Okay. So let's just copy the text here and add the paragraph. So I'm just adding some dummy data here just to get the idea here. So let's just publish this article. All right, so now we have one article here, guide to use the WordPress. Okay, so if I just go back to our website, refresh the page, now you will be able to see the change in the appearance of our chat box. So if I just go back, now you can see the option of search for the answers. All right, so from here, I can simply search down the articles. Okay, so that is WordPress. And now you can see this, we have guideline to use WordPress. All right, so as you can see here, we have our article here. So the best use case of the articles here would be the FAQs. Okay, you can simply add the FAQ of your website here, and the user can simply search it from here, and then we are good to go. Okay, so this is how we can use the knowledge base. So let's go back into the administration, and now you can also see the option of the user management, and after that we have the settings here. So in the settings, we have the shortcuts, we have the triggers. So right now we only have the trigger of the welcome message. So if you want to add the triggers, you can simply add it from here. And after that, we have the add-ons. So in the add-on, we have the different things here. So if you want to remove the branding of the talk to, so if I just go back here, you will be able to see the logo of talk to here. So if you want to remove this branding, you can simply do it from here. But obviously this would be a paid service, and we can also have the live agents for low as $1 per hour. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how we can create the live chat in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.